Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how profile views works on your TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your TikTok app. Here you can see many options like home, friends, plus, inbox and profile icon. Now click on profile icon. Now here on your right top corner you could able to see two options, two icons. So let's click here. Now in this interface, people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days will appear here and only you can see this. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.